My name is Hannah, and I'll be talking about what this project will include. The project is about the Malayan tiger. The Malayan tiger is a subspecies of tiger found exclusively in the Malaysian peninsula. Generally, the species of tiger lives between 15 and 20 years and can give birth to their young after a 3.5-month period of gestation. In 2005, it was declared as a critically endangered species by the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, and therefore faces a very high risk of extinction in the wild. In the 1950s, the population of the tiger was estimated to be around 3,000 tigers. Since then, the development and agriculture expansion in Malaysia rapidly increased, and coupled with the hunting of tigers, the population of the tiger is said to be around 250 to 340 adults, with less than 200 mature enough to breed as of 2013, and continues to see a decrease in trend. To help conserve the species, the Malayan tiger is totally protected under Malaysia's Wildlife Conservation Act 2010, where offenders can be charged with a fine up to.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Tumshamimi, and I will explain about the extinction rate of Malayan tiger. To find the extinction rate of Malayan tiger, we use the exponential extinction equation. The exponential extinction equation is A is equal to P exponential to the power of RT. The variables in this equation present as A is equal to the ending amount of the Malayan tiger, P is the initial amount of the Malayan tiger, R is the rate of the extinction, and T is time. By using this equation, we can find the extinction rate of Malayan tiger. In 1950s, the number of Malayan tiger was estimated to have as many as 3,000 tigers. However, due to rapid development and widespread hunting, the number of Malayan tiger reduced to around 250 to 340. If in 2013 the number of Malayan tiger decreased to 300 tigers, what is the rate?
Firstly, we're going to find out the information that have given from the equation. So for the year, which is also time, find is 2013 minus 1950 is equal to 63 years. As for the initial amount of the Malayan tiger, which is 3,000 tigers, and the ending amount of the Malayan tigers is 300. And what we're gonna find out is the R, the rate of extinction, the extinction rate of Malayan tiger. By using the exponential extinction equation, which is A is equal to P exponential R to the power of RT. So we substitute the value into the equation. The 300 for A, and the P is 3,000 exponential to the power of R, as the T is 63. We get 1 over 10 is equal to exponential 63 R. So we are going to ln both sides. Ln 1 over 10 is equal to ln exponential to the power of 63 R. And we'll put the power in front. We get ln 1 over 10 is equal to 63 R ln E. As for 63R ln E is equal to 1, so we cut A. And we'll get ln 1 over 10. Ln 1 over 10 over 63 is equal to R. And the value is negative 0.037. Therefore, the rate of extinction rate of malayan tiger is negative 0.037.
To help preserve the tigers, we have proposed to make a new conservatory area. With 700 kilometers of materials to make the fence around the grounds, which shape would have the larger area of conservation? A circle or a rectangle? An area of pi r squared and a perimeter of 2 pi r. We'll be using both of the equations to find the answer. From the 700 kilometers, we equate that to 2 pi r. And from this, we find that r is equal to 700 over 2 pi, which is 350 over pi.
After the first derivative, we find that dA over dr is 2 pi r, and after the second derivative, we find that it is 2 pi, which is greater than 0. Therefore, this is relative minima. And substitute the values of r that we found earlier, which is 350 over pi. So we found that the area is 38,992.96 kilometers squared. A rectangle has an area of xy and a perimeter of 2x plus 2y. We equate 700 kilometers to 2x plus 2y. And from this, we find that y is equal to 700 minus 2x over 2. Area is equal to x times 700 minus 2x over 2, which is equal to 300x minus x squared. After the first derivative, we find that the answer is 350 minus 2x. When we equate it to 0, we get 2x is equal to 350. And x is equal to 175 kilometers. Therefore, this is relative maxima. To find the area, we substitute all the calculated values. The answer for that is 30,625 kilometers squared. In conclusion, we have decided to use the shape of the circle for the conservatory area despite it being relative minima, because it has a larger area for the grounds compared to the area of the rectangle.
My name is Naida Afrina, which is Nazri. I will explain about the related conservation area. The area of the Malayan 50 is 10,352 km square. After 20 years, the area of Malayan tiger's habitat decreases to 345 km square. What is the rate of decreasing radius of the habitats? Okay, we assume that our conservation area is in a circular shape. So the formula for area of circle is pi r square. We use the initial area, which is 10,355 equal to pi r square, to find the value of r. Okay, after that, we differentiate the formula of area, which is dA dr equal to 2 pi r. And dA dt is given, which is 300.45 km square. Okay, based on the equation, we want to find the dr dt. So the formula is dr dt equal to dr dA times dA dt. dr dA is what we have calculated, and times with 300.45. So the value of r, we substitute the value of r, 45. So the answer is 0.833 km per year. And the last answer is the decreasing radius of the habitats is 0.833 km per year.